Okay, here we go. Flip to law of sines, law of cosines. Here we are. Example B. So we have this type of triangle. I know that we used up the space yesterday, but I'm gonna use it over here, so I have room. We have angle A, angle B, angle C. Side A is 10.5, side B is 9.1, side C is 12.4. So A for the day, who can tell me of the six side, side, side? Everybody see that? Side, side, side says that, follow this very carefully, there is one solution. It guarantees congruency within the geometry theorems. So use the law of cosines to solve for the missing angle that you need. Where do you start? Just look at the bottom here. Just start by solving for the angle opposite the largest side. So you tell me, as I look at this figure, which is going to be the biggest angle? C. So this is the angle that I want to find. So of the three formulas yesterday, c squared, very good. C squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times the cosine of angle C. Which of these variables up here am I going to be solving for? Angle C. So I have a squared, or 10.5 squared, equals, I'm sorry, 12.4 squared equals 10.5 squared plus 9.1 squared minus 2 times 10.5 times 9.1 by times the cosine of C. We'll see in a little bit. So C squared, so C is the opposite side. The mistake that people make is right here. It is the most common mistake. Please be careful. There's addition and subtraction going on here. But this is all, this all right here, you guys. This all has to stay together. It's got to stay together, okay? So let's just take it step by step. Turn on your calculator. Make sure you're working in degrees. 12.4 squared. 12.4 squared. I've got 153.76. 10.5 squared. 110.25. 9.1 squared. 82.81 minus, and then all that stays together. We multiply it out. 2 times 10.5 times 9.1 minus 191.1 cosine of C. What do you think I do with the 110.25? Subtract it. What do you think I do with the 82.81? Subtract it. What do you think I do with the negative 191.1? Divide it. What is it doing to the cosine of C? It's multiplying, so I'm going to have to divide it off. You see that? A lot of people will just go 110 plus 82 minus 191. You can't do that. Subtract this over, divide that off. See the difference? Okay, let's do it. Thank you for the emphatic response. 153.76 minus 110.25 minus 82.81. I get negative 39.3 is equal to, is it positive or negative 191? Negative 191.1 cosine of C. The negative is extremely important in this problem. Now what do I do? Good. 0.20565 is equal to cosine of C. Can cosine be equal to a value of 0.2? Yes, what's the biggest value that cosine could be? What's the minimum value? -1. So what do I do? Cosine inverse, your answer, I get 78.13. C is equal to 78.13 degrees. So it's time to start making a list. A, B, C, little a, little b, little c. What's side A? 10.5. Side B. Side C. Which angle did we find? 78.13. Super duper. You got any bright ideas of what to do now? No, that doesn't matter. As long as we found the biggest angle, it doesn't matter which one we solve for now. But we will use the law of sines. Let's set it up, and we will take care of that. Go away. Yep, no, thank you for asking. If you didn't find the largest angle first, then you would have to go back through that response. So, sine of what? What angle do I know? 78.13 divided what's its opposite side? 12.4 is equal to, which angle would you like to find? B, okay. Okay, am I solving for a side or an angle? So you would be doing sine or sine inverse? Sine inverse. So 9.1 times the sine of 78.13 divided by that 12.4. Can sine be equal to 0.7? Yep. 4590. Hi. Just mathematics everywhere. All right, now what? Yeah, now they just add up to 180. So we got 180 minus 78.13 minus 45.9, and I get that 5597. Bada bing, bada bam, bada boo, ski. My grandpa was Polish. But I don't want to leave you guys. Yep, I know, but I gotta give you assignment first. Okay? Yes, I do. So, um, so make yeah, make sure that I kind of bragged about you guys in this month and said you're a very hardworking group. So make sure that you show that. If I check the plain trig assignment, it says that we do. I made a mistake here. It says 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, and 16. We did 9 and 16 yesterday, so it's just 1, 2, 5, and 6. Let me make sure I got this right. Okay, sorry about that. I made that mistake. It's 1, 2, 5, and 6, not 9 and 16.